Hello friends, back with another video. This time it is a dash cam from Nexdigitron. Nexdigitron has been a biggest distributor for dash cams in India. They're based in Pune. They are the biggest distributors for DDPai and 7DMI in India. Now they have started their own brand, and which is made in India, which is really good. And they are selling at a very good price with features which won't come even in a 7,000 rupee dash cam. So I thought of giving it a try because in my new Santro car, I have got one DDPai camera on the front, and I wanted one on behind as well. Mainly because nowadays it's very unpredictable on roads and people do whatever they feel like. And to be safe and secure, if somebody hits you from behind or somebody comes and hits you on from the front, the best thing is for you to have a dash cam. And I have one in the front mirror, and I just want one on my back mirror as well, so I got this one. So I'm going to unbox this, and then I will just use it in my car using USB C, because this comes with USB C, and I'm very particular about all my products using USB C cable to charge, because I don't want to go for different cables. And when looking at dash cams, many of them even now coming out with a micro USB, or the older fashion. I think it's called mini USB or something like that. So basically, it's very difficult, and you have this long cables which comes with this dash cams for you to use. I just do not want these long cables which comes with these dash cams to be used with this one, because this is going on the rear mirror, and you do not need that much of a long cable. So I have a one cable with me, 2-meter USB-C cable, and I can use the USB-C cable with this dash cam. So friends, this takes a lot of things in my head. It's got voice record function. It's Nexdigitron Ace Plus, made in India. Voice record function, night vision, 30 FPS, full HD, Wi-Fi, app video sync. I don't know what that is. G sensor, 128 maximum support, optional GPS logo, which is cool, and 330 rotatable design, capture road or cabin at ease. Yeah, you can just capture turning this camera front or behind. Super capacitor technology, suitable for hot Indian weather. So battery super capacitor, which is cool. Optional GPS logo, captures geo coordination speed. Yeah, you can. I'm not too particular on that. Type C for such a good price. Type C for the price like 3,890, which is cool. 24 hours parking mode with hardware kit. I'm not interested in that as well. So maybe it may take a more battery. So I'm just going to unbox it, fit it in my car, and record some video. I'll show you after. So let me unbox this first now. Done. Okay. So yeah, simple packing, friends, simple. Well packed. So here comes the camera, friends. This is where you paste it. You can take this off. I've seen it in the Nexdigitron YouTube channel. You can take this off. My left hand is injured, so I can't put more force on it. So USB-C, GPS logo connect, micro SD, and then reset button. Turns, fantastic, great. Putting it back in. Done. And then it's a very big cable. USB-A to USB C. I'm looking to have a USB C to see whether that will work on this camera. If it works, fine. Otherwise, I'll have to use this. And then it comes with a 12 volt, where you need to plug this in for your charging, for your beatings. Then they have a small booklet, and I'm happy Amazon 12 months warranty for this one. So that's it, friends. Charging cable, tool, camera, and 12 watt fit-in power socket. So that's it. Unboxing is done. Pretty good. I got this from Flipkart this time, not from Amazon, because Amazon was selling something around 3,990. Flipkart was 100 rupees less, so I thought, why not Flipkart, even if it's 100 rupees less. So yeah, I will just go fit in my car and see how the footage works and add to this video. So let's go and watch the video footage from this Nexdigitron Ace Plus. Fitted this Nexdigitron Ace Plus on the rear side of my car. The fitting part is removable and the gum seems to be fine as well. So on the back side of the car, there is Nexdigitron Ace Plus, and on the front it is the DDPai Mini. So this one has USB C, the front one has micro USB. So overall, it's doing well, and the car is secure front and back sides both with a dash camera. This is the Nexdigitron Ace Plus, morning time, 6 a.m. This footage seems fine, but reading number plates seems to be a little bit off track. I'm trying to compare this with my DDPai Mini and see what is the big difference. For the price, the camera lens quality seems to be fine, but regarding number plates, I'm still a little bit apprehensive. This is Nexdigitron Digital Plus around 10 a.m. Pretty good video quality, but overall, I don't think it's as good as the DDPai Mini. Near my house, the car passes by, and the quality seems okay. It's better in the daytime than at night, I would assume. The quality is okay. The bikes coming behind, they're clearer, but if it comes closer, you need to check whether the number plate is visible or not. It's visible in a way. Now changing to DDPai. DDPai morning 6 a.m. seems a little more darker than the Nexdigitron Ace Plus, but the contrast levels seems to be a little more better than the Nexdigitron Ace Plus. That's what I would assume. And number plates, reading number plates with this one is much better than the Nexdigitron Ace Plus, and that's something of a big advantage. Now morning time, 10 a.m. the DDPai camera, slightly more better than the Nexdigitron Ace Plus in video quality, I would assume. Little more like clarity in the whole video, and overall the video quality is a little bit better. You can easily read the number plates as well with the DDPai. That's a very big advantage. You see the letters in the video are much more profound and clearer. So my judgment is the Nexdigitron Ace Plus is good. It has USB C input. The DDPai has got a micro USB input, but the video quality is slightly better. So if you are okay with the micro USB input that's fine, but for me USB C does matter, and I will only go for dash cams which is USB C inputs, and in that case the Nexdigitron Ace Plus goes, but overall the DDPi's video quality is slightly better. And next time I'll buy a DDPi or a 70mm camera with USB C input.